Jai Hind, I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the complete answers of the unit frictions, and this is video for the class 8. For the science subject is our science. So here in this video, I'll cover the all question answers in simple word. So the first type of question is that is MCQ type questions are here. So let's discuss the first question. What is the force that opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact? That is the friction. So the B is a correct option. Next question is, which of the following is an example of static forces? Among the given four options, that is a car parked on a slope, that is the example of static forces. Now the next question is, which type of frictions occurs when an object moves through a fluid? That is the fluid friction. So the C is the correct option. Now the next question is, which factor does not affect the force of frictions? The option answers is colors of an object. So the C is a correct option. The next is, which method is used to reduce friction? That is using a lubricant. It reduces the friction. Now the next type of question is, fill in the blanks. So here we have to put the proper word in each of the blank space. So we have already put it here word that is in the highlighted with the red color. So the first statement is, frictions always acts in the opposite direction to the motion. So this is the correct answer. Now the static friction is a type of friction that exists between stationary surfaces. Now the next is, use of lubricant reduces the force of friction between the moving parts. Now the next is, fluid friction depends upon the speed and shape of the object moving through the fluids. Now the next is, rolling friction is less than the sliding friction for the same surface. The next question is, next type of question is, that is true and false type questions are here. Statements is given here and you have to say whether the statements is true or false. The first statement is, friction is always undesirable and should be eliminated. That is the false. Now the next statement is, static force is greater than the kinetic force for the same surfaces. Yes, this is true. The next is, fluid friction increases with the speed of the moving object. Yes, this is true. Now the next is, the friction depends only on the weight of the object, not on the surface materials. That is false. Now the next question is, define the following terms. Their terms are here and you have to give the proper definition. The first term is frictions. The proper definition is, friction is a force that resists the moments between the two surfaces that are in contact. Now the next is static friction. It is the friction that acts on object when they are not in moving. Now the next is kinetic frictions. It is the friction that acts when object is slide over another. So that is the kinetic friction. Now the next definitions that were given, rolling friction. It is the friction that happens when an object rolls over a surface. Now the next is fluid friction. It is a friction that occurs when an object moves through a fluid like air or water. So this is the proper definition. Now the next type of question is, match the columns. Here two columns are here, column A and column B. In the column A, the words are given here. In column B, we have to give the proper matching. So the first is static frictions. That is the opposite static motion. That is the one is B. Now the next is kinetic friction. That is kinetic friction, sliding surfaces. So 2 to D. Now the next is rolling friction. The ball bearings, that is the rolling friction. Next is fluid friction. That is motion through airs. Now the next is lubricants. That is a reduces friction. Now the next type of question is, give the reason for the following statements. Means here statements are given here and you have to give the proper reason for each statement. First statement is, friction is called a necessarily evils. The reason is, friction is helpful in walking, writing, driving, but also causes wear and tear. So it both useful and harmful. Now the next is, lubricants are applied to machine parts. Now the reason is, lubricants reduces friction between the machine parts, so they move smoothly and last longer. Now the next is, ball bearing are used in bicycles and cars. It is because the reason is, ball bearing reduces rolling frictions and makes movement smoother and easier. Now the next statement is, rolling friction is less than sliding friction. The reason is, it is easier to roll an object than it slide it. So rolling friction is less. Now the next is, ships and airplanes are designed with a streamlined shapes. The reason is, the streamlined shapes reduces the fluid friction, that is air or water resistance, and helping them move faster and use less energy. Now the next type of question is answer in brief. The questions are given here and we have to give the brief answer. The first question is what is friction and why is it important in our daily life, everyday life? The reason is answer is friction is a force that slows down or stops moving objects. It helps us walking, holding things, writing and drive safely. Now the next question is explain the difference between statics and kinetic friction. First is static friction. It acts when an object is not moving, and the kinetic friction acts when object is sliding or moving. Next question is what factors affect the fluid frictions? The flow factor that depends upon the speed of the object, shape of the object and nature, that is type of the fluids. Now the next question is how does the application of lubricant reduces frictions? The answer is lubricants make surface smooth and slippery. That they reduce the rubbing force, that is friction between the parts. Now the next question is discuss the two methods to reduce undesirable friction. The methods are use of lubricant like oil or grease. The next is using ball bearing or smooth surfaces. Now the next type of question is answer in detail. The questions are here and we have to give the detailed answer. The first question is explain the different types of friction with examples. The first is static friction, that is it prevents a stiff object from moving. The examples is a book on a table. Now the next is kinetic frictions. It acts when an object is slided, that is sliding a box. The next is rolling frictions, when an object rolls, that is on wheel on a road. Now the next is fluid frictions, when something moves through air or water, that is swimming and flying. So the next question is why does static friction have higher value than the kinetic frictions? It takes more forces to start an object to keep them in moving. Kinetic because its surfaces settle into the tiny moves and more friction. Now the next is describe the how frictions are both beneficial and harmful for the various situations. The useful, it helps in walking, writing, driving, holding, and harmful is it causes the wearing and tearing the machines, reduces the speed, produces heat. Now the next question is how does fluid frictions act on an object moving through an air and water? Explain with an example. With object moving in air or water, fluid frictions pushes against them. The examples are swimming feels resistance from the water, a car or airplane faces air resistance while moving. Now the next and last question is discuss the role of roll friction in designing vehicles, tires and sports equipment. The answer is vehicles tires are made with the grooves to increase the friction for better grips. Non-net sports equipment like shoes, bats and balls are designed to have the right amount of friction for the better control and performance. With this in Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.